What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby, on this wonderful hump day. You know what it is, baby. Wednesday, hump day. But I can't explain what hump day is because the kids is still up. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's get to this money making, shall we? What we gonna start at? What we gonna start at? Let's start over here on AVAX. Ruby Mine, still going, still paying. See what I got over here. What, five rubies? 5 AVAC? AVAC about what, $70? That about a good what? $350? I'd take it. See, it may not look like much right here. Boy, that $350, boy. I'd take that all day, every day. And we just getting started. If MetaMask will let me. I'm seeing people getting scammed on their MetaMask, and bro, look here. Don't give your seed phrase to nobody. I don't care what happening. Somebody, oh, you know, your password. Send me your seed phrase. I can fix it for you. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Just like people in the comments, you scammers. Hey, hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm gonna tell you about the price of XRP and all that, bro. It's all scams, bro. I'm not on WhatsApp. I ain't on Twitter. I ain't on none of that stupid stuff, bro. I'm a YouTuber. You understand me? If you don't come out my mouth, I ain't with it. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's keep it moving, shall we? Splatty Splav. Hey, man. You got, but you gotta give credit, man. Hey, shout out to the boy. They came back. They could have just ran off with all the money, bro. And been gone. And nobody said that. Just been mad. And move on to the next thing. These folk came back, gave folk the same little things. You had to put no money back in it. Why? Hey. I take it. Let's see what I got going on over here. Well, man, I don't even know how to work this thing. Where I go to? Do I come right here? Where I go? No, let me see what this is. The well. Okay, the well. All right. Go over to the well. Been a minute. I don't be on Splasher like that, man. I be forgetting where I'm at right here. Let's see. Sales Splash token. I got 464. Let's see what that is. 463. That 24. Hey, man, let me see. 24, what ain't that about $70 carry the one? But that about $1,700. Yeah, let me go and get that before they get out of here again. I got approved splash. Oh, I got approved splash. Okay then. Yeah, okay. Hold on, don't get mad at me. All right, splash approved. Let's see the sell button work now. That's all I care about. Do the sell button work or not? That don't make no difference if the site is up. The UI. I need to see that finger, baby. I need to see that finger before we can move forward. There we go. Give me that finger, baby. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, Splash. Give my money now. Give my money, baby. I got to show the people that, hey, y'all still paying tonight. Let's go. Sale confirmed, but there we go. Boy, that's enough. Boy, that what? What that was? 1,700 for the, boy, that's over $2,000. And I ain't even got to the monster. This just the playground area. This just the sidebar. Let's go over to the monster, shall we? Let's jump on over here to baked beans, baby. Still going. Where we at now? What is it? 28,000. But that's a lot of B&B, boy. I think the high was 30. I saw 33. I don't know how high it got, but the last I remember is 33,000. That was about the high. So I don't know if they still doing this hydrate 6 days and claim 1 day, or they said hell with it. So I don't know. But I did hydrate because I was at 345 million. Now I'm up to 581 million. You know what I'm saying? But this thing still paying out. I'm just going to eat from now on. If I was you, I would just eat too. But I can't tell you what to do. That's on you. I'm not your crypto daddy. You know what I'm saying? You got to hit that buy button. You got to hit that sell button. You know what I'm saying? You want to rebake and still go 6-1, and hey, that's fine. They saying they talking about they got some kind of platform where you can stake they token or something. Hey, man, that's the only button I care about right here. I'm gonna get this 800. I'm gonna get this 800 to add to the 2,000 I already got before I even get to the monster, to the golden goose. You know what I'm saying? The golden parachute. And that's what the CEOs be giving when they lead the company. Golden parachute. That what drip is, the golden parachute, baby. Let's go. Come on, man. Bump all that. Let's go, baby. There you go. Bam. I go 19 B&B in now. So what I got? Oh, you gotta refresh the page on this right here. Let's see if I refresh the page. What that is? 2. So I should have 21. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see now. Let me see you get down low. Come on. No. No. They done scam me. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I'm finna go to the feds like bank teller did. I'm going to the police. Y'all see the Medium article bank teller put out? Say he went to the feds. There go my money. See how I don't be panicking? You see that? I just chuckle, laugh it off. Just calm down, peoples. Calm down. Well, if something don't work that first time, boy, y'all just have a panic attack. Y'all swear somebody done scam you done. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. First thing you do, come to Telegram. So rug. I this and that and the other, bro. Chill out. Chill out, baby. Everything is cool. People ask me all the time why I don't do FUD videos. That's the reason why. Because for what? That's lazy, man. That's lazy work. You know what I'm saying? If you ever notice the people that do FUD, they just lazy. It's just easy to do. That's just like telling somebody, you gonna die. You know you gonna die. Hey, you gonna die. One day you gonna die. And then you die. See, I told you. I told you were gonna die. I was right the whole time. Like, what kind of logic is that, bro? People do a drip video. Drip guy, it's gonna die. It's gonna die. It's gonna die. This time next year, it's gonna die. I'm telling you, it's gonna die. It's gonna die. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything got a lifespan. At some point, it probably will. That's not the goal. The goal is to make money in crypto, bro. The goal ain't for me to come in here and be right. You know what I'm saying? To tell you that something gonna end. Yeah, it's all gonna end. Go back a year ago and look at what we was talking about. Go back 2 years ago, look what we was talking about. Go back 3 years ago and look what we was talking about. There are cycles in crypto. Your job is to get that money, that meat in the middle. Get that meat, baby. Bring that sledgehammer, get that meat, and walk out. Go on to the next door. Knock that one in. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you're going to win. Sometimes you're going to lose. I don't care what you in. Hey, we all thought Pulse Chain was the second coming. That was this time last year. You know what I'm saying? Had you known it wasn't coming out to a year later, would you still have to put your money in it? Think about this. Let's just say, I don't know how much I got. I forgot how much I got in that, to be honest with you. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't forget how much I got now. But let's just say I got $200,000 in there. Do you know how much money I could have made off that $200,000 if I would have did something else? Huh? Look how it was almost $1 billion locked up in Pulse Chain for a year. Pulse Chain and PulseX. It's probably over $1 billion combining the two. I can't keep up, bro. But that's crazy. Think about that. How much money we could have generated, you know what I'm saying, over a year's time with that money. But, you know what I'm saying? People cool to calm about that. But, boy, you let drip drop the price go down. Oh, man, oh, golly. But we started making money, baby. I got another $5,000 to go with the $3,000 I got. And, hey, let's not forget the market is tanking. But they talking about Bitcoin going to 29,000. But they said we dropped below 3650. That thing going straight to 30,000. It's not funny, man, but I just ain't never understood that buy and hold stuff, man. You got people literally telling me, yeah, hold your XRP. Yeah, they about to be over the investigation, this and that and the other. Hold your Cardano. Boy, I've been sold my Cardano. People looking at me crazy. All that, remember Zilliqa, all that, buy. Ain't no such thing about that buy and hold is for losers, bruh. Yeah, if you got 12 years, hold in. Hold forever, bruh. Hold till your heart is content. Hold your Ethereum. Hold your Bitcoin. I mean, they are the pillars of this crypto thing. And I believe Bitcoin going to $1 million a piece one day. I do believe that. But are you going to wait for that day? That day could be 10 years from now. It could be next year knowing Bitcoin, but why buy and hold when you can make passive income daily? I'm just going around collecting money daily, bro. This all I'm doing. I'm just showing you on my journey. I don't even have to do YouTube. I just come here, click a few buttons on my computer, send this to my account, and go on about my day. You understand what I'm saying? But I try to teach people the passive income way is the way to go. Only thing you got to do, the first thing you got to do is get your mind right. It's just like driving a car. You're going to hit a pothole. I don't care where you live at. From the Hamptons to Compton, you're going to hit a pothole along the way. You might even bend a rim. You might even blow out a tire. What you going to do? Throw the whole car away? Just give up, not drive no more? No. You fix the tire, you keep it moving, baby. You might even go a little faster next time. You know what I'm saying? Once you get your mind right and get in this passive income world, your life will change, bro. And watch who you listen to. If somebody's trying to tell you not to get passive income every day, bro, I don't even know why you watching them. You might well just go on. You're going to be in poverty forever. If you're not figuring out a way to get passive income on a daily basis, you're going to be in poverty. Simply put. Anyway, like the video. Come and subscribe. Hold on, no. Let me, what I got right here? Let me go and hydrate that. I don't even care what the price. I don't even look at the price of drip. I know it's hanging in that old boy. It's tied to B&B. So it'll be going down when B&B go down. But boy, drip hanging in there. With everything else, just red. Just straight red. Drip hanging in there, boy. You know what they like, but I leave with a rope-a-dope. Just hanging in there, just hanging on, boy. You know what I'm saying? Still paying that 1%. Ain't no, hold on, guys. We're going to pause the 1% so we can build the contract back. No, still paying that 1% every day, baby. Compound success, baby. I love to see it. That just make me happy. Why is just more money coming to me? Now I'm over the 70K payout. That's going to increase that. That's what I care about, the max payout, baby. The max payout. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I care about. But keep telling y'all, increase this to increase this. Look, I'm at 19.3. Y'all gonna see me at that 20K mark. Hitting that hydrate. I could be taking that. Y'all see me doing it. 15,000 here, 8,000 there, 9,000 here, 5,000 there, 7,000 here, 15 more thousand. You see, hey, but I'm getting paid, baby. Anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man. Oh, hold on. Forex just said something. Let me see what Forex just said. Let me see what old Forex just said in the Telegram. He just said something. So you get that breaking news, but you get that breaking news. Boy, they be tripping, man. What do you folk about Telegram crazy? Let's see. Oh, here you go. What did he say? What Forex say? I am preparing an interview with Maury Povich from Crypto. I'm kidding. It just says Maury from Crypto Italia. Oh, okay. This is an Italian. Okay, an Italian crypto. Damn it. This is an Italian crypto-focused community who is interested to learn more about our projects. The interview will be starting in about 20 minutes at 12 noon. That was up. All right. Forex that not working, boy. Trying to get that thing to Italy. You trying to get drip in Italy? All right, then. Shout out to Forex. Hey, man, I'm just reporting the news, baby. It is what it is. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.